Welcome back for another reaction video, guys. I'm checking out the Beatles, and this one is Rain. Alright, so I can't wait to check this one out, guys. I haven't done a Beatles in a while. It's just that I have a hard time uploading the Beatles. Okay, so I had to get a break because they keep getting blocked or partially blocked, so yeah. So I hope this one make it up. Okay, yes. So if you're new to the SLD channel, guys, welcome. But before you leave, that you will subscribe. Alright, so the dogs, they start. I guess they just heard me. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Beautiful jump playing there, guys. Yes, as usual, the Beatles with their beautiful smooth toning voice, guys. I love to see when they're on stage. It seems so cool and collective. Then even they were such a big band and this crowd were always screaming and everything, but they always seem so composed, yeah, and just performing for the audience. I love that. Guys, Paul and watching, laughing. Paul and George, come up with Shane. Paul and George laughing there, looking at each other and giving that laugh, like yes. And what is his name in the glass? Like, yeah, when it rain, I can shield you from the rain. Yeah, beautiful lyrics, of course, guys. Like I said, I just love watching them, the way how they perform, just so smooth, cool, collective, and yet give you that beautiful sound, that beautiful music, and let you totally enjoy it. Like, they don't overdo it. Like, I love it. Just a state of mind. Can you hear guys, that was so good. Totally love it. Totally love it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did, because I surely did. The Beatles, like their music, you can always come back no matter how long they made this video, perform the song. Like we now just enjoying it, you know. The older folks enjoy it at that time when they did the song and make it, you know. We enjoy it. The younger generation coming now, we call them Gen Z, they're gonna enjoy it as well, because you know that type of music they have, like it passed from generation to generation, and everyone just keep on enjoying the music. That's the type of music that they had put out, you know. It's like it never gets stale. Yeah, I love it. All right, I hope you enjoy it as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I catch you in another one. Thanks for watching. Bye.